So as you walk inside, you can see the spacious living area, spacious modular kitchen. So as you can see, so yes, this is your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Kea Springs by the builder Kea, which is located in Arkare Banagada Road, for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the current listing platform where you do an inquiry or number shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 3.5 acres with 3 towers, and the available stories are ground plus 16 or 17 floors, and the available variants are 2, 3 and 4 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. From this project, Royal Meenakshi Mall is just 10 minutes away, JP Nagar is 15 minutes away, Wasu Road is 4 kilometers, Kormangala is 10 kilometers, Fortis Hospital is 2 kilometers, and BTM Layout is just 3 kilometers away from this project. Now let's talk about the amenities. This project has amazing amenities such as clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, kids swimming pool, mini theatre, yoga track and many more. So right now we are in 4 BHK sample flat called Kea Springs by the builder Kea. So let's check the house, come inside. So as you walk inside, you can see the spacious living area. So it is super spacious. This is the sofa set and sofa area, and right in front of the sofa you can find the television unit as well as storage space on both the side. You can see over here we have storage spaces. Yes, and now it's time to check the balcony in this living area. So this is the balcony, which is super big and super spacious, and look at the view. It's super amazing from here, where you can spend your leisure time in the evening having a coffee or tea. Yes, you can customize it and decorate it the way you want. And now it's time to check the kitchen in this 4 BHK flat. So now it's time to check the kitchenette area. So this way is the kitchen. Again, very spacious modular kitchen. So as you can see, it is super big, and yeah, you have a lot of storage spaces as well. So here you have the utility area. Yes, where you can store your washing machines, and we have a big window for ventilation, and the view from here is super amazing. So this is the kitchenette area, and now it's time to check the dining area in this 4 BHK flat called Kea Springs by the builder Kea. So this project is located in Arkare Banagada Road. So this is the super big dining area. So you can see there's a seating area of 6 people, and the color combinations are super amazing. As well, you have storage spaces over here, and on the other side as well. You can see a lot of storage spaces are given. And this side you can see the wash basin, yes, with storage space and a huge mirror. And now it's time to check the balcony near the dining area. So this is the balcony, again super spacious, where you can spend your evening time, and look at the view. It's super amazing. The entire Bangalore can be seen from here. That's what I feel right now. And now it's time to check the bedroom, first bedroom in this 4 BHK flat. So yes, this is the first bedroom. A lot of space are provided on both the side of the bed, and there's a window for ventilation, and this would be your study area and also your dressing area. So yes, a big mirror is provided and a big shelf as well. And this is the wardrobe and your dressing area with a huge mirror. So the wardrobe color is really good. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment and window for ventilation, as well as storage space is given. And now it's time to check the second bedroom in this 4 BHK flat. So this way towards the living area. So from the living area you get the access to 2 bedrooms. So let's check the second bedroom in this flat. So yes, this is the second bedroom. Very spacious, and look at the interiors. It's really amazing, and a lot of space has been provided on both the side of the bed. There's a window for ventilation, and this is your wardrobe. And now it's time to check the other part of the room. Here is your dressing area. Again, a wardrobe is provided and a big mirror for the dressing purpose. So a lot of storage spaces are given, and this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment and window for ventilation, as well as storage space. So everything is super big, the bedroom and the bathroom. Now it's time to check the third bedroom. So from the living area you have the access to the third bedroom. So yes, This is the third bedroom. It could be your guest room or your kids' room. So you can put your bed over here, and there's a lot of space on both the side of the bed, and right opposite to the bed you can see the storage spaces over here and shelf for storing your decorative items. And this is your balcony, again super spacious, where you can spend your evening time. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom in this bedroom. So this is the attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, window for ventilation and storage spaces. So everything is super spacious in this 4 BHK flat. Now it's time to check the last bedroom, also called the master bedroom. Before we get to know a lot about master bedroom, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide a sample flat tour, we give you actual location tour, the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, and pricing details such as EMI, banking options, as well 360-degree virtual project tour. Before we check the master bedroom, you can see over here, outside the master bedroom, a study area has been provided with storage spaces and a table. Yes, it looks super cool. Let's check the master bedroom. So yes, this is your master bedroom. Very spacious. As you can see, the interiors are super cool and a lot of space has been provided on both the side of the bed. And this is your balcony where you can enjoy your evening time having a coffee or tea, and you can enjoy the view as well. And yes, this is your wardrobe. This is your wardrobe area. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So yes, this is the bathroom in the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment and window for ventilation. A huge mirror has been provided and as well a storage space. Yes, that was all about the 4 BHK sample flat tour called Keya Springs by the builder Keya. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the project, do mention it in the comment section below. And if you have any feedback, yes, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about such wonderful videos. See you in the next video. Bye.
So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Keya Springs located in Bannerghatta Road by Keya Groups.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.